Welcome to Biotech World. In our today's video tutorial, we are going to study about the plant tissue culture. Whenever you see a hybrid plant, there is a question in your mind from where this plant came. So here we are going to study about the plant tissue culture. It's a technique to give rise to a complete plant from an explant. Explant refer to a plant part that may be cotyledon, dicotyledon, or leaf or shoot or the root system or maybe our meristem tissue. So in our today's video tutorial, our content belongs to the introduction of plant tissue culture, its basic concept, history, basic requirements, equipments, media preparation, sterilization room, septic chamber, incubator, data collection, nutrient medium, plant growth regulator, sterilization and its type or techniques. Introduction. What is the plant tissue culture? Plant tissue culture is a technique of growing plant cells, tissues, organs, seeds, or other plant parts in a sterile environment on a nutrient media of a non-composition. A method of biological research in which fragments of tissues from and plants are grown in vitro in artificial medium under aseptic conditions and continue to survive and function. The aseptic culture of plant protoplasm cells, tissues or organs under aseptic conditions which lead to cell multiplication or regeneration of organs or whole plants. Basic concept of plant tissue culture. Two concepts are central to understanding plant tissue culture: tissues, organ culture and regeneration. The first one is the plasticity, ability to initiate cell division from almost any tissue of the plant. Plasticity is the ability to regenerate lost organs or undergo developmental pathways in response to particular stimuli. Now about the totipotency. Totipotency is present in each cell. It's the capacity to regenerate the entire plant. Now here are the basic concepts of the plant tissue culture. Cell lines differentiate to form specialized tissue or the organs. Unlike animal cells, living plant cells redifferentiate. Therefore, tissues can be regenerated from explant such as cotyledons, hypocotyls, leaf, ovary, protoplasm, petiole, root, anthers, etc. Now about the history of the plant tissue culture. In 1902, first attempt to plant tissue culture by Haberlet. In 1904, embryo culture of selected crucifers attempted by the Hanning. In 1922, in vitro culture of root tips by Robbins. In 1925, use of embryo culture technique in interspecific crosses of Linneum by Leibniz. In 1934, successful culture of tomato roots by White. In 1939, successful establishment of continuously growing callus culture by Gethert, Nobicot and White. In 1941, use of coconut milk containing a cell division factor for the first time in Dhatura by von Overbeek. In 1944, in vitro adventitious shoot formation in tobacco took place by the Skoog. In 1952, use of meristem culture is obtained virus-free dahlias by Morel and Martin. In 1952, first application of grafting by Morel and Martin. In 1955, discovery of kinetin, a cell division hormone by Miller. In 1957, discovery of the regulation of organ formation by changing the ratio of auxin and cytokinin by Skoog and Miller. In 1958, regeneration of somatic embryos in vitro from the nucleus of citrus ovules by Maheshwari and Rangaswamy. In 1959, preservation of embryos from callus, clumps, and cell suspensions of Ducus carota by Winard and Stewart. In 1962, development of Moshes and Scoop nutrition medium by Moshes and Scoop. हिस्ट्री के अंदर 1964 production of first haploid embryos from pollen trains of Datura inoxia by Guha and Maheshwari. In 1970, first achievement of protoplast fusion by Por. In 1971, preservation of first plant from protoplast by Takabe. In 1972, first report of interspecific hybridization through the protoplast fusion in two species of Nicotiana by Carlson. In 1987, Bt gene from Bacillus thuringiensis isolated by Gordon. So guys, thank you all of you for giving your precious time. Now just continue with our second video, the second part of this lecture as we discussed above in the index in the content of our video. We will continue with that part. So thanks for your giving precious time and try to give a lot of love to our YouTube channel.